Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use internet banking in SBI. First, let's get you registered. You'll need an active SBI account and a registered mobile number. Head over to the official SBI Internet Banking portal and select New User Registration. You'll then input your account number, CIF number, branch code, and your registered mobile number. Remember to choose your preferred facility type, whether it's full transaction rights or just viewing access. This initial step is crucial for setting up your secure online banking experience. Once registered, logging in is straightforward. On the SBI Internet Banking login page, enter your unique username and password. You'll then complete a two-factor authentication, usually by entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile. After successful login, you'll see your personalized dashboard. This central hub provides a quick overview of your account balances, recent transactions, and easy access to various banking services. Take a moment to explore the navigation menu to understand where everything is located. Now, let's talk about managing your money. To transfer funds, you'll first need to add beneficiaries by providing their account number, IFSC code, and name. You can then initiate NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS transfers, each with different processing times and transaction limits. For instance, IMPS allows instant transfers up to 5 lakh rupees. The bill payment section lets you pay utility bills, credit card bills, and more. You can even set up recurring payments for convenience, ensuring your regular expenses are always covered on time. Security is paramount when banking online. Always use a strong, unique password and change it regularly, perhaps every 90 days. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. SBI will never ask for your password via email or SMS. If you suspect any unauthorized activity, use the lock and unlock user feature immediately. Beyond transfers, you can also create fixed deposits, apply for loans, or request a new checkbook. Remember, customer support is always available if you have any questions or need assistance with your internet banking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.